Here at Honda Off-Road Factory Racing, we use Steal It. In off-road racing, we absolutely destroy all of our race vehicles. And it's important for us to uphold a factory image for our sponsors and our partners, especially for American Honda. And we rely on Steal It to keep all of our race vehicles in tip-top shape. One of my favorite things about Steal It is that after every race, they come back to the shop, they're absolutely destroyed. We can retouch up all of the bumpers, the chassis, anything on our race vehicles, the arms, and make them look new again before we get back to the next race. And these aerosol cans allow us to do it quickly, to touch up any area of the chassis, and our cars are looking brand new before we get to the next race. Whether we're racing in Baja or the US, we trust Steal It to minimize rust, we can weld over it, and it keeps our race vehicles looking factory fresh.